What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're going to go over Solana. Currently we're sitting at $19.32, down 0.95 on the day. See, market cap was 7.98. 24-hour volume sitting at 154 million. Let's hop into the chart. So, potentially we could be looking at a 1-2. So coming down to A, B, and then one more lower low and a wave C. Our bounce zone is in between 1891. Let me add some price targets. We've already met the minimum target, but I think we could easily create a lower low first. So we can bounce in between 1798 and 1889. Now there is a large inverse head and shoulders that I noticed here. This is the 4-hour chart. So you have a left shoulder, you have a head, you have a right shoulder. So if we can come up and start to break that neckline, it would also be bullish confirmation of breaking the wave one high. I'd likely look to enter a trade. If that does happen, I'll give a signal in the Discord. It's only 10 bucks a month. If we end up rolling over, we create a lower low, it is what it is. We never took a trade, so we wouldn't take a loss. But if we can get that confirmation of breaking that wave one high and also breaking this inverse head and shoulders, that's likely where I would look to take a trade, and a signal will be given in the Discord. Otherwise, we roll over, we break this low, and we come down to the next level of support for Solana, which looks like it would be right around $16, $17. If we do end up creating a lower low. But as of right now, we have a beautiful inverse head and shoulders. So if we end up holding this wave 2 pullback and we start to bounce and we start to break that bullish confirmation as well as that trend line, then we could definitely look for a long position. And a signal will be given in the Discord for only 10 bucks a month. You can receive a 14-day free trial if you sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for all my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus once you deposit to your futures account. If you deposit $100, you get $20. You deposit $1,000, then you get $200. Just email me your sign up email. Otherwise, $10 per month. You really can't beat it, guys. Daily crypto analysis for many coins. My exact trade setups. I just dropped a trade setup for one of our crypto pairs. Crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, as well as Forex signals and analysis, which are posted daily. So not only are we trading crypto, we're also trading Forex for 10 bucks a month. You spend $10 every single day, or grab that 14-day free trial by signing up to BITUNIX. All links down below in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.